If I went to the left side of Eve, if Adam went over to Eve, and something to do with a rib. Now, was it a rib or was it a coat? Right? And cote de Eve. Un côté de Eve. You see, if you're speaking in French, right, Latin and other languages, you see the rib, what is R-I-B, right, is C-O-T-E, and there's a circumflex over the O. So why is circumflex over the O, right? There's many kinds of O. There's the inside area space, 360, and then there's the outside area space. The 5 and 1 and 5 and 1 is the complete expansion of an area space. There is no more. The 1 is this side or that side. That's all it is. The 7 is only saying this side or that side of 6 and 6. The other side. The circumflex in French is the hat, right? The hat over here. So the area space of a singular cube, the only way for it to get a dimension is to turn it on an angle. It takes the half area space of 4 different houses joining 4 boards. What does that mean? If you look at the Monopoly board, you see 40. Now redesign it, right? Redesign it. You will see that the area space in the center is an odd number. Therefore, the only odd number it can be is 1. So it'll be 1, 3. It'll be, right? It'll be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. And the 1, 6, it stops. Why? There's only 6 sides on the cube. So that's all you can have. The heart area space of 8 and 1, the center of the cube on 3 sides. So 3 sides of the cube is 8 and 1, 8 and 1, 8 and 1 equals to 9, equals to 9, equals to 9, and 7, and 7, and 7. Why? Because the area space at the bottom needs to rise to the top. And there's only 3 of them on the rise at the exterior and 3 on the interior. But when you're playing with colors, all 6 of the colors rise. Right, and the prime colors at the same time. And then the understanding of the association colors is that 12 is 9 and 3, 8 and 4, 7 and 5, 6 and 6, to understand the dynamic of the singularity and the duality and the trinity and the house of quadras. The house of quadras is actually where 4 area spaces of 4 equaling to 16, right, go over an area space of what is 9. But what happens is the 5th area space gets encompassed 4 times. Now, I'm not sure if I said all these numbers right, but it's 4 above and 4 below. And I'm not sure if they run a cube in between, right? The half energy space, right? But on a diamond shape, because that way you can get above and below and in between every area space. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 5 in between. The 5, 10, right? What is the 5, 10? The 10 is a duality split, become 5 and 5. The 5 is what is made up by 5. Is it 7 and 7, 8 and 6, right? 6 and 8. But what that 5 is, right? And that what the movement of 9 is, what the movement of 5 in this area space is the same movement of the Celsius and Fahrenheit. What moves 9 moves 5, and what is 6, 3 is what is 1, 4, and what is 5, 4 is 3, 2. Look at the cube. Yeah, so we're going to leave it at that. And another thing was, I had a thought last night. There's going to be an additive at the end of this in the commentary to put at the end. Raphael 7286 in Consolation of Pegasus. So here we run from the center all the way to the end. 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 2, 4. 5, 6, 7. All right, over here you see what I did here? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. The centers. We have 1 area space here. Now the next 2. Now the next 3, the next 4, the next 5, the next 6. This is the 7. So in this 7 space here, this is the area space, right? And then the next one is this area space here. When you start looking at these area spaces, right? I just want to see if I can get the red. Oh, it's in my hand, right? So we have this at the corner, right? And then we have this one here. That's right. And then we have the one we haven't marked yet. And that's here. All right, and these is the second house. You see the way they touch? Because it goes what is 2, 4, 6, 7. If you went 0, 2, 4, 5, this area space is going to connect the 4 area spaces over here. The colors, the harness, the thoroughbred, the 2-horse and the 3-horse take the same colors. Now, what is the color of the shirt? What is the framework of the color? And what is the number, right, that takes on a color? You see, we'll have like, let's say you'll have, right, this. See, the horse has a name, the horse has a driver, right? Right, and he also gets, right, the horses also get a little headrest on top with a number on top of the head. The number on the head of the horse. And then you have the program. You have the speed. You have the distance. And then here, you'll have a number. But you can see the number will be like that, right? And then in here will be a color. And then this will be a color, right? Harness, thoroughbred, the same thing. And then here's your colors. And then there's the game of pool, and then you'll have a color, right on the ball. And some of the balls will give you the color like this. You'll have a circle ball. And then inside it'll have a color. You see, for me, the difference between the, hold on. See, for me, right? So you need area space, right? Area space, occupation of area space. And then I'm just going to see, I should have other colors. I thought I had green, yeah. So now you have also, you come out here, right? And you have occupation of area space. And then you come out and you have occupation of area space. So each one of the colors are encompassed within each other, right? Then you have the outside border line and you have the inside encompassment of the area space, the 360, okay? And then you run from here, right? There's going to be 4 points, one here, one here, one here, and here. And then you have expansion here, 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 and here in all 4 corners. So you end up with 1440. Encompass at one. It like does this. It does this and this and this and this and this. So, right. So, and then you end up here. And then you end up here. You're tic-tac-toe. Right, and we have to have our full expansion, so you're 360 here in this corner, this corner, this corner, always expanding here, right? 4 covers the 5th position, right? In the virtue of 3 and 1. Right? And then you can put your big block inside of here. So this is a 3-1, a 3-1, a 3-1, a 3-1. And the cube goes here, all right? And then you run off that 6th position on the cube. And this will be the 2, 5, and 8. And this will be the 4, 5, and 6. 120 and 15 equals to 135. 2 times 5 times 8 is 56. 40, 80. And 15 equals to 95. All right, now this going to get 225 for 360. This is going to get 265. All right, it's going to be 5 and 260. Why? We start at 5. We start at 5, and then we work ourselves over to 26, and that's where easy street comes in. Why? That's the center of the donut of the area space. Here, 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 and here. That circle is here. That circle is here. That circle is here. That circle is here. And then we encompass it with this over here. But when we come to this one, this area space, right, the encompassment of this can only run here. Then it can run all the way down, right? And it can run all the way down, right? Which way? Here. It can't run any other way. Why? Top angle, missing corner, I can't run through here. And when I run up, right, this one here, right, can run up all the, whoopee, can run all the way to here. Let me see if I got that right. All the way here. So I missed the corner here. I missed the corner here. I hit the corner here. I come here. I hit the corner here. I come here. I hit the corner here. I come here. And I hit the corner here and here. And then tic-tac-toe all turns on an angle. This, okay, is what is 10 and 5. Okay, equals to 15. And the reason for this is because it starts at 15. It starts at 15, so I have 150, and I have 90, and I have 20. It becomes 10 and 5 and 10. It becomes 5 and 10 and 5, or what is 5, 1, 5, and 1, 5, 1 equals 7 equals to 10. This is the Aztec, 7, 10, 13, right? After that, it becomes 5, 1, 5, 5. Then it becomes 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, 5, 1, 5, and 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 5, 16, 12, 16, 16, 7, 7, 3, 7. And then we can just go 7, 7, 3, 7. 7, 3, 7, 7, 3. So 10, 10, 5. So this will be 10, and this will be 10, and this will be 14. It'll be 5 and 1. 21, 21, 3. This is in the mutable house. This will create what is 5, 5, 5, or what is 14, 14, 14, 42, 15, 27, and 15. I have an equation for this. Why does it do this? 7 and 3, 10. 7 and 3, 10. 7 and 3, 10. Right? That's your 30. And then 7 and 7 is 14, equals to 44. Why did I do it this way? I have to remember why I did it that way. Oh yes, it was this 7, 3, 7, 7. So I went 7, 3, 7, 7. Let me do it again. Let's go. Let's start 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 7, which would be up here because I'm starting over, right? Then I go 3, 3, 7, 7, 3, 7, 7, which is here. Then it's 3, and then I go 7, 7, and then 3, and then 7, 7, and then 3, and 7, 7, and it starts over. Here, okay, did I get that right? Oh yes, and here, this one becomes 20. This one becomes 17. Oh, there's something wrong here. Hold on. 3, 7, 7, 3. Okay, that's good. 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, 7, 7, 3, 7, 21, 24. My addition is what is wrong. This is 24. And this one's 24. And then it's going to come back to the same thing, which will be 2, 6, 6, 2. Right? 3, 7, 7, 3. Now, if you want to go to 6, we can do the same thing. You know when you're running the 6? So you can go 6, 1, 6 equals to 13. But if you want the formation, you go 6, 1, 6, 6, 1, 6, 6, 1, 6, 6, 1, 6. And then this would be 19, this would be 14, this would be 19, and this would be 33. And then you'd go 19 divided by 33 and 14 divided by 33, understanding this is your 2 square and your 3 square coming together. 9, okay, sorry, not in this one, this is your, yes, right, but the cube, okay, would create 8 and 27, separation of 19. Anyways, thank you for watching this video.